Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, this one I will change by dy over dx. Next, we multiply both sides by dx, and then I will put this one go to the left, and we have the negative sign here. So I will put about b equals to this one, and q equals to this one with the negative sign here. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y, with respect to s, sorry. So this one we just have only s squared. So first the derivative of s squared we have 2s. This one we don't have s, so you got 0. So we have the s. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So we just have only y in here, and that is about number 1. So we have negative 2s. So we see that this one and this one, they are not the same. So we need to transform into exact. So we see that we have negative 2sy, we have negative 2s. That means we need to choose about mu y, because we want to create about integrating factor in here. So we multiply both sides by this one, and we want db over dx equals to dq over dy. So for this one, you have 2s mu y. This one, we have negative 2sy. First the derivative of mu y, and then we have negative 2s mu y. And now we need to simplify. We divide both sides by negative 2s. So I will put mu y go in here. And we have negative mu y. This one we have negative number 2 mu y. Later that we divide both sides by y and mu y. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of mu y. So we have the formula of this one. b ln8 equals to ln8 to the power of b. So a that is about this one, b that is about negative number 2. So I will put this one go inside about natural log in here. So we have mu white equals to y to the power of negative number 2. That means we multiply both sides by y to the power of negative number 2, or we put about 1 over y to the power of 2. Now we need to simplify it, and we have like this. And this one we have x over y. So we have b equals to this one, and q equals to this one. So because we have dy, that means we do first the derivative of b with respect to x. So for this one we have 2x over y squared. About this one we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So that's about y in here. So if we do first the derivative, we have 2x over y squared. And we see that they are about exact. And now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one plus 3xy. The integration of 2x, that is about s squared. And I will put about 3xy. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we have s squared over y squared plus d over dy 3xy. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify this one for the both sides. And we have like this. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of negative number 1, we have negative y. The integration of this one, we have positive a squared over y. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So about this one 3xy, the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. So I will put this one gone here. And this one equals to fxy. fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.